Hi everyone, nice to meet you again. In this tutorial, I will show you the program I made by using Python. This program or this software is used to perform image stitching. Let's jump into the example. In this tutorial, I have provided two images that we want to stitch. For example, image 1 and image 2. Let's load both of these images and the process. If you want to stitch this image, you have to point this line into the same object on these two images. For example, this one, and I will drag them into here, and also this one. Yeah, should be here. Okay, let us assume this is the same point, and this is very simple, and we can directly export. Okay, done. We will see the result. This is the result. See, it is very simple, and it is capable of providing very good result. If you're interested in this program, you can contact me on the link description below. Thank you.